Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by taking the fastest, highest yield steps. Restart the PC and sign out, then back into clear transient state. Once done, install all pending Windows updates and confirm the system date and time are correct, because certificate and token errors block apps. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Troubleshoot and run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. It will detect common package and permission issues and sometimes repair them automatically, so let it finish before moving deeper. Once basic checks are done, focus on core app components. You should repair or reset specific apps from Settings Apps Advanced Options. Use Repair first, then Reset if needed. Make sure to run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and then sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files that block app execution. If problems persist, open an elevated PowerShell and re-register app packages with AddApps Package Register /appx manifest. To finish, verify supporting services are running. Check Windows Update, AppX Deployment Service, and bits. Restart them if stopped. You should also create a new local user and test the apps there and boot into safe mode to see if third-party software is interfering. If apps still fail, perform an in-place repair using the Media Creation tool or roll back with System Restore to a prior point. If that still fails, check Event Viewer for AppX errors and include those logs when seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.